In the previous video, we discussed common mistakes such as selecting the wrong steam trap type, incorrect discharge capacity, ignoring delta P, improper installation position, not venting non-condensable gases, using one trap for multiple machines, installing a non-standard trap assembly, and failing to add condensate separators on the main steam line. Today, we will continue with the next set of mistakes. Mistake number 9. Installing the steam trap in the wrong orientation or in the wrong direction. The main cause is the installer's lack of attention. Some units install traps opposite to the flow direction, and the system still runs for years without anyone noticing. Some float-type steam traps must be installed horizontally, but the installer rotates the float chamber downward. Many similar misorientation issues occur frequently. Therefore, always check installation orientation carefully, as it directly affects equipment performance. Mistake number 10, having no inspection or maintenance program for steam traps. I have asked many factories, even very professional ones, and most have never inspected or maintained their steam traps. In steam production costs, the boiler and steam traps are the two most crucial factors driving overall operating expenses. Therefore, maintaining steam traps is essential for ensuring long-term system stability. Perform inspections regularly and replace damaged or low-quality traps immediately. Upgrading to high-quality traps typically pays for itself in under 3 months. Next is mistake number 11, opening the bypass valve to heat equipment faster. When equipment lacks heat, operators often open the bypass valve to prevent condensate from passing through the trap. This heats the machine faster, but steam escapes along with condensate, causing significant losses. Temporary use may be acceptable, but frequent use indicates improper trap sizing. Mistake number 12, combining low-pressure and high-pressure condensate lines into one. Many factories operate equipment at different steam pressures but combine the condensate lines before sending them back to the boiler. The higher pressure line forces condensate into the lower pressure line, reducing performance or stopping the low pressure equipment. Separate the condensate lines and recombine them only before returning to the boiler. These were the 12 common mistakes related to steam traps. I hope this information helps you optimize steam production costs and reduce emissions. Your feedback is welcome. Thank you for watching.